My healthcare priorities this session are to make sure that, one, we protect medical freedom of all Texans against what I believe are tyrannical COVID vaccine mandates. I want to protect the doctor and the patient relationship. I want to make sure that it's doctors and it's patients that are making those decisions, not bureaucrats. And then we have to finally tackle, with bold and innovative approaches, the problem of skyrocketing drug pricing. So I filed a bill just this morning that would require the huge rebates that are paid by pharmaceutical manufacturers to go and be passed through all the way to the patients. That way patients, when they go in to fill their drugs and get their life-saving and critically important medications, they can get all of those savings, sometimes 20 or 30% reductions at the pharmacy counter. That would be the boldest drug pricing reform that any state in America has passed, and I look forward to getting that done this session. So I have a bill called the Texas COVID Vaccine Freedom Act, which would prohibit the coercive force of government or of any private entities to force people to have a vaccine that goes against their wishes. We've got to protect medical freedom. I view that clearly as a line in the sand issue for liberty. And we also, I think we need to expand right to try. Again, I want patients, especially the most vulnerable patients, people who are terminally ill or have diseases that are almost certain to take their life, that we don't have, a lot of cures or treatments for, but maybe there's some experimental drugs in the pipeline. I want those patients and their doctors to not have bureaucratic and what can be costly and deadly red tape standing between them and potentially life-saving medication.